Welcome to JLab Audio. I'm Terra Teat, VP of Marketing.
Hi, I'm Cramer, CEO.
And we're here to talk about the Flex Sport fitness headphones. So the Flex Sport is a very unique product compared to what's out there already. So talk a little bit about the over-ear headphone market.
Yeah, so most of the time over-ear headphones are lifestyle headphones, or they're active noise canceling headphones, what you travel with, what you listen to at your desk. But I was shocked every time I went to the gym to see how many people were wearing those headphones while they were working out. And none of those headphones are built for fitness.
Yeah.
They're built for, like I said, being at your desk or traveling. So I challenged our design team about 3 years ago to come up with a product, an over-the-ear product that people could use in the gym, feel confident with in the gym. And this is what came out. We sat down and thought what was important. Super lightweight, super strong and flexible. The ability to add a tension band to make it snug and fit on your head. The sweat-wicking ear cups. All of these things that we sat down and said, hey, if this were me using an over-ear headphone in the gym, this is what I would want.
So the Flex Sport feature a very long battery life.
Yes.
Do you want to talk a little bit about the wireless capabilities of Flex?
Sure. So first, the battery life. These do have the 20-hour battery life at medium volume. It's a 320 milliamp battery, so it's a good size. It'll last you, a week or two worth of workouts, which is fantastic. And then the Bluetooth connectivity. This is our first product that has incorporated Bluetooth 5.0 right out of the gate, which we're very excited about. Phones don't necessarily yet take advantage of Bluetooth 5, but these have it built in and are ready for it when they're ready.
Yep.
So today the connection is similar to a 4.2 style, so 30 to 40 feet connection distance from your device to the headphone.
Awesome. And they also incorporate, the first time we've utilized a new charging port.
That's a good point. Thanks for bringing that up. These our first headphone that incorporates USB-C charging. Generally, the industry has been on a USB micro B path. The new standard is USB-C. This is our first product to incorporate it. So that's pretty cool, having a USB-C cable in the box and charging solution.
Yep, awesome. And I think one of the most amazing features about this product and makes it truly unique is some of the ways that you can get a good fit and customize your fit. So talk a little bit about that.
For sure. This is an industry leader in terms of different ways to wear it or make it fit your head. So it has a very loose headband. You can spin it all the way around. It's the only headphone on the market that can do something like that. But as you can imagine, this is very loose and comfortable when you're wearing it. So it's for sitting at your desk when it's in this form. But if you're working out, you don't want them to be all loose and flimsy.
Yeah.
So we include two different tension bands in the box, a flex fit and a firm fit. And you just snap these tension bands on around the top. And now you have a much more structured headphone that doesn't move around as much and won't bounce off your head when you're doing jumping jacks or box jumps, etc. It makes it really, really fit and snug on your head.
And let's talk a little bit about the material on the ear cups and the headband pad.
Sure. So we use a sweat wicking material for the ear cups and the headband that pops on as well. And it's something that we've been working on for a while. I didn't think that having a headphone with a traditional leather ear cup was great for working out. It just becomes really slippery when you sweat. So we came up with a sweat wicking solution that kind of cools as you warm. It's just more inclined for fitness folks. It's what you wear when you work out. The shirts are this material now. So both ear cups have that material along with the headband that snaps on the top.
Yep. And I think people will be amazed with another feature with the ear cups in that you can wash them.
Yeah, so I think that's really cool as well. So both ear cups pop off and you can put them in the washing machine. You can hand wash them. It comes with a bag, so you just throw these in here, throw these in the washing machine, and you're good to go.
Yep.
But knowing how much your sneakers or your socks or your shirt or your gym shorts smell after you get done with a workout, your ear cups get the same way. They get dirty and sweaty and nasty, and we wanted to make sure there was a way that you could clean them up and take care of them for the long term.
Yep, absolutely. And we have they can purchase those online if they want to have an extra set sitting around, or they're washing one and using them.
Correct.
So they are replaceable, which is awesome too.
Absolutely.
Okay, so let's talk a little bit about the sound technologies. There's two sound technologies incorporated into the Flex Sport.
Yeah, so we did two cool things with the sound. First, let me put these ear cups back on here just so it's a little easier to talk about it with these on. First, it comes with our Be Aware technology, same as our Epic Air Elite earbuds. So that is when you're running or you're in the gym, you can press a button and it allows noise to pass through. So you can still hear your music, but you can be aware to your surroundings. I think it's super useful if you're going for a run at night and a car honks at you, you'll hear that pass through. And again, you'll be aware. And second, we built in our EQ3 technology. Again, you hold the button and it cycles through 3 different sound curves. So you have a JLab signature sound, you have a balance sound, which is really good for podcasts, audiobooks, etc. Or a bass boost, which is, in my opinion, awesome for working out because you just get a little more thump with the product.
And then let's talk about the controls. So if you're in the gym or you're running or working out, you don't want to have to find your device.
Yeah, no, I mean, the goal was to be able to leave your device in the gym bag and just go work out. So this has all the controls that you want. You know, you can track forward, track back, volume up, volume down, access your Google Assistant or Siri. It does all the features you would want without having to touch your phone. Thank you for joining us today to learn more about our Flex Sport wireless fitness headphones. If you have any questions, please leave some comments below and we'll get back to you. Learn more about them at jlabaudio.com. Thanks for coming. See you later. Bye.